Now it's time for a mini lesson. Today, I will teach you negations. Before I go into detail, I want you to keep in mind that ASL structure, word order, and grammar can fluctuate within sentences. Typically, the negation is at the end. I'll give you an example. Remember, the negation will be at the end. So let me show you in ASL. Did you see how I started with the topic, children, then the comment, and ended with the negation? Here's another example. Last one. Did you see how I added non-manual markers during the negation? I didn't sign don't. Watch this again. Those are a few examples. As a new signer who is learning, it's important to develop a solid foundation. Then later, you'll know how to modify the language's order, structure, and rules. I hope this helps. Follow for more.